Stop scrolling. You're posting videos, you're hitting publish, and you're getting 8 views. You're not growing, you're stuck. The truth is, the algorithm isn't broken. You are. You're making 3 critical mistakes. Fix them right now, or this channel will die at 15 subs. Mistake 1. You're making videos for yourself. You're calling your vlog My Journey to Freedom. Nobody cares. At 15 subscribers, you are not a creator. You are a search result. Your content needs to be medicine for a viewer's headache. The fix. Delete those fancy titles. Be brutally boring. Your title is not a poem. It's a keyword checklist. Use this formula. How to fix specific problem in specific time limit using specific tool. Be the answer Google is looking for, or stay invisible. Mistake 2. You're waiting for YouTube to save you. They don't know you exist yet. The platform owes you nothing. Your 15 subs are not enough. You need to become your own traffic source. The fix. You must become a cross-platform savage. Take the sharpest, most valuable 15 seconds from this video. Post it to TikTok, post it to Reels, and post it to Shorts. Get it out there. And the caption? It's not check out my new video. It's a command. The full 5-minute fix is on YouTube. Link in bio. Steal the audience from everywhere else until the algorithm is forced to notice you. Mistake 3. You are ignoring your greatest asset. Every comment is not a notification. It is a loyalty test. When a viewer takes their time to write to you and you leave a thumbs up emoji, you are telling them you don't care. And they will never subscribe. The fix. Until you hit 1,000 subscribers, you are running a concierge service. Reply to every single comment with a detailed, human, enthusiastic answer. Build your army of 15 into 100 dedicated fans who will share your videos. This is how you prove you deserve to grow. The truth hurts, but it's the only path to 100 subscribers. Don't just watch this video, go execute it. If you are serious about escaping the 15 Club, subscribe right now. Next week, I'm dropping the full tutorial on how to make a high-click YouTube thumbnail using only your phone. Do not miss it.